So knowing a little bit about your useful colours is so important in watercolour. So knowing that literally every class I do, or every time I paint, I use two colours every time, and that's ultramarine blue and burnt umber. Burnt umber's a really dark brown, and it's so useful because you can actually mix them together and you can get various shades of sort of bluey brown, browny blue, grey blue. And it's really useful for sort of shadows and overlays and all these sorts of things. It's so useful. But you can also incrementally add them into other colours to make those colours variants of themselves. So for instance, brown, dark brown is not my favourite colour, I must say, but it's a colour that is so useful for painting because you can literally add it into every single colour and it will just make a slightly knocked down version of itself, and it's really useful for creating depth of shadows and things like that. So blues and browns, super useful, don't discount them, they will help you a lot along your watercolour journey.